everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how Odoo can be very useful for a car dealership. Specifically, how easy it is and quick it is to find vehicles using the tags feature in our inventory application. So we're going to start off by going to inventory. We're going to go to product, and here we're going to find all of our stock. Here we're going to find all of our vehicles, and I'm going to show you a quick example of what our tags look like and where we can find them and add them. So we're going to go here to this Chevy Camaro. As you can see here in the product tags, we have that it's an automatic, Chevy, rear-wheel drive, convertible, 2011, it's a Camaro. And we're going to go to a different example. This 2014 Ferrari California base model, sensors, camera, rear-wheel drive, convertible, 2014, and it's a Ferrari. And just one last example of a very different car, which is this SUV. It's a 2020 Audi Q3 Quattro Premium Plus. And here we're going to see that it's an Audi, all-wheel drive, sensors, camera, automatic, in 2020. So this is how easy it is to just create product tags. So let's say we're going to create a product tag for this, which is a Quattro. And you also have the option to edit them, but just to shorten up time, you can just create them and you can take a look at them later if there's any specific features you would like to fix. Because this is an Audi, Premium and Premium Pluses are very important. So we're going to create another tag for this, which is a Premium Plus tag. And there we go. Now the important part. How is this useful to me? How are these tags useful to me, or how are they useful in a day-to-day basis at a car dealership? So we're all very familiar with the situation at a car dealership where a client comes in, calls looking for a specific car, but then thinks, you know what? I'm not so sure if I specifically want this one. Let me see if I can look for something else, or I can find any other cars that you have at your lot. So they give you certain specifications, or even let's say they come in not knowing what they want, but they know that there's certain things that they need. For example, a car with sensors and cameras. So what you're gonna do is very quickly, since it's a very tough situation where you cannot waste much time so that you can get the sale, we are going to go very quickly to filters, add a custom filter. We're going to go all the way to product tags, contains sensors, apply, and it gives us all the ones that we have that have sensors. Now let's go add another tag. Let's say that they want a car that is all-wheel drive. So we're going to go back to product tags and all-wheel drive. Apply, and these are all the cars that we have that are all-wheel drive. So the difference about using Odoo than not having Odoo to help you is that in many cases you would have to run around the lot and try to remember which cars have these features, or you would have to run around looking at the bumpers and making sure that you found a certain amount of cars that had the sensors and try to figure out if they were all-wheel drive or not. But in this case, it sums up your time tremendously, and it will help you and your customer have a better experience. Now that you have a shorter number of which cars could be perfect for this client, you can now go ahead and take them on a test drive, show it to them, maybe ask them if they have any more specific requests about this vehicle, and let's say that they do. Let's say that they have a different specific request, which is that they really want an Audi. So what we're going to do in this case is once again go to filters very quickly. And here's a little hack. By just pressing the letter P, it's automatically going to take you to the letter P section. We go to product tags, contains Audi, and there we go. We have two options that can be perfect for this client. And now you can take them on a test drive. Their time is going to be amazing. They're going to have a great time looking at these vehicles, and they already know that what you're going to show them is precisely what they want. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this videos, and follow us for more tips and tricks of how Odoo can help a car dealership. Thank you.